size for you.
Cool.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Do you want to see if you fit on it?
Cool. Who got me this?
It's from all of us.
All of us to all of you.
Wow, big girl one.
What do you think? Kind of just like Mommy's collar.
Yeah, and it is the same shape. Now I can take like some stuffed animal.